Today I'm going to give you a tip on how to install a door viewer. Some people call it a peephole. This one right here is 160 degrees. Once you take it out of the package, you unscrew it out of its housing. You have two pieces. This one right here will go on the interior of your house. This one would obviously go on the outside of your house. Okay, once you determine the height where you want the peephole installed at, it calls for a 1/2-inch bit. This is the type of bit that I use. You can use a regular bit if you want to, but it calls for a 1/2 inch. And you will be drilling a drill bit, a small one if you can. Drill it from this side to the interior of your house, because you want to start drilling from the interior of your house and then come back out and drill all the way through. That way it'll protect your finish. Keep watching. You go back on the other side. Once you're done that, this one right here that has a little grooves in it, that goes on the other side. This one goes on the exterior side. And all you do is put it together like this, screw it in, just like that. There you have it.